Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. My name is Rhonda Robson. I am starting a series of bloom experiments. They're little mini videos and I think you're gonna like this series. Okay, so this number 8, I wanted to try some new stuff. I was discovering that the white cell activator was working better than the black and the gold, and I wanted to see it side by side. So I did the exact same thing, and then I used the cell activator, the gold, the white, and the black, and then I swiped it, and you'll get to see. And then I ended up not liking it because I spun off the black and I spun off the gold too much, or spun off the black and spun off the white too much. And then I ended up doing a starfish in the middle, and actually it looked pretty cool. So let me get you down and let me show you how I did that one. All right, bye for now. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. Bye. I'm using paint that I got from Lowe's because I just have a Lowe's just down the street from me, down a couple streets. It's about 5 minutes away. And so I'm using Sherwin-Williams Showcase Ultra White Semi-Gloss, and then that's my pillow paint. And then I have my medium that is Sherwin-Williams Interior Semi-Gloss, and my pillow paint's also semi-gloss. And it's base C, and it's the same Showcase Sherwin-Williams, but it's base C, and I mix that with polyacrylic semi-gloss, and it's clear and it's water base, and that's the medium that I create. And then once I'm done with that, it kind of comes up to a consistency like this, but the paint that I use is a full body, medium body paint coming out of tubes, so I actually have to add more polyacrylic to it, and then that's my paints are over here. So the consistency is thinner than what you just saw because I added more polyacrylic to it. But that's what we're gonna do, and that's what I'm using, and that's the stuff that I have, my medium with my paints. And then I have my cell activator that all it is Amsterdam white and Floetrol, and it's about 4 parts Amsterdam, or sorry, 4 parts Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam. And then I added in, I noticed that there was some grazing, so then I added in some more Amsterdam. So it's almost a 2-to-1 ratio on this one instead of, or 3-to-1. It's probably between 3-to-1 and 2-to-1 ratio of Amsterdam paint. So anyway, enough talking. Let's go ahead and get going. I have really loved the combination of these colors, kind of in a rainbow effect, using the white as a swipe. So today, so with this one, what I want to do is the same thing where we're going to do rainbow colors in the rainbow from purple to pink. And then I'm going to do in one section white. I have a gold that I have also done, and this is actually I think it's Arteza gold with the Floetrol. And then I have this Mars black, which happens to be Liquitex Basics, and that one is also with Floetrol as well. So with that being said, I'm going to do that. I just want to see what the difference is with the black, the white, and the gold, because I've noticed on a couple of the other ones that the gold was hardly doing any cells, and the black was doing some, but not as much as the white. So it can depend on the type of paint you have as well. So that's why we're doing all these fun experiments. So let's start with our purple. And we're gonna go clear across like that. And I'm just gonna do a nice little string like that. Whoops. Well, darn it. Spilled some of my purple. I don't wanna waste my paint, so let me get that here. Okay, got it. Slippery suckers. And then the blue. And all of these are a metallic blue, or a metallic color, if you will. So this is metallic blue. Purple was a pearl purple. And I'll put all of the colors specifically because I can't think of all the names of them. They're over here, but I will put them in my below in the information section of this video, so you can have that. And I'm going to try to keep just a little bit of white in between each one, just to see what kind of comes by. And I think too, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it all in one swipe. Just going to try that. Okay. And I think I'm going to go ahead and do another line of gold. I'd love to see if I can make it kind of like a sunset on the ocean swipe kind of thing, but I doubt it, but we'll try it. So, and then we'll do a little bit of blue, just one, and then just a little bit of purple. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm going to do a third, a third, and a third. So we're going to swipe this way. So I'm going to bring my white paint, I'm going to put it right here. This is my cell activator, my white. Then I'm going to do my gold. Okay, and then I'm going to do my Mars black. And again, I'm going to make this one large swipe. Okay, there's that. Grab my tool. I was trying to find my piece of plastic. That's gonna be not quite big enough, so I'll use this one. Okay, so we're just gonna take my plastic tool here, and we're gonna just drag it across, swiping all of it at the same time. Let's see what happens. You can definitely see that the white and the black are much better than the gold. So the gold, it could be the paint. It could be I just didn't have enough Floetrol in it. But man, look at that. That looks awesome right through there. The black, I don't know. It's all right. It might look cool later. I'm gonna go, I probably will spin this. Or tilt it or something, but let me just kind of get it so that get some pictures here. Definitely liking the white much better, and maybe it's because of the Amsterdam again, I don't know, but look, there's some cells trying to pop up through there. Okay, so let's go ahead and spin this and just see what it does, okay? Well, and the hard thing is that the gold was in the center, and the two that you like are on the ends going off. So, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold off on swiping all of this or spinning this all off. And since the gold did not work, how about if we take the white and let's just, you know, I don't know, should we put it like right in the middle? Okay, and then swipe out. Almost like a starfish, right? All right, so I'm gonna let that sit for just a little bit just to see what happens to it. So you got the black up here, you've got the white. Definitely the white is the best. Now the starfish was made out of the white, so we'll see what kind of pops up. It just kind of depends on how it reacts. I'm gonna go ahead and pop some of those air bubbles. I see a lot of them in there. Okay, just let that continue to react. Whoops. See what happens. I'll just let you watch it and I'll speed it up so you can see it in faster time later. Most of the color went with the swipe, so it was just white underneath white. So I wonder if I kind of might as well play with it a little bit, right? Still waiting on the other cameras. Okay, let's do some white. And then this time, how about if we just blow it? And I'll use a straw. All right, well, let's just see what that looks like in just a bit, jiffy. It fell down. It's almost like, there we go. Okay, well, I'm going to spin this out in just a minute and see how it works. So, Look at all those cells. Those look awesome. Not bad. Yeah, the black, yeah, it's got to be the Amsterdam paint. I love it. So that gold is just not the black, not white. Yeah, definitely. All right, let's go ahead and spin this now. Actually, let me take a picture first. Then we can spin it. Spin it. Okay, here we go. Well, I think it looks cool for what we did today, and it's given me some good ideas for future stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and be done with this one, this experiment. Thanks.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.